The purpose of this short video is to show you how to make a collage in PicMonkey. Now I'm on a Chromebook, so my directions might be just a little bit different. So for those of you using something else, you may actually have more options. On a Chromebook, we generally only use Google Drive to get to our photos. So kind of keep that in mind as we go through this. So in the Chrome Web Store, I've already looked for PicMonkey. I went to the Chrome Web Store, did a search for PicMonkey, right? And I knew I had the right one because of this winking, super cute monkey. I've installed it to the Chrome Web Store and then launched it. When you launch PicMonkey, it will bring you to this website, this page. Now from here you can edit, touch up, design, and create collages. Now today I'm just going to talk about just making a collage. So when you click collage on a Chromebook, it goes right to Google Drive. Again, if you use something else, you may have more options. I happen to be a big fan of the Chromebook, so I'm going to stick. I know I could switch to a PC, but I love using this instead. So I have taken some time to upload the photos I wanted to Google Drive. I typically don't do that, but I really wanted to get the hang of how to use PicMonkey on the Chromebook. So I've made a folder called Photos. So when I open the Photos folder, there'll be a couple pictures in here, and I am going to take these last four. I'll hold the Shift key down, select the first one. Now I still have the Shift key held. Okay. Now I'll click the last one, and because I've got the Shift key held down, it takes all four. So I will click Open after that. And my photos are being uploaded to PicMonkey. Now here's something that I like. I've been practicing just messing around with PicMonkey before I started this tutorial, and I've uploaded the same photos again and again. So I noticed that PicMonkey does remember previous projects, previous uploads, and that's kind of nice. I like that. First thing I noticed is I have 4 photos, but this layout is incorrect. So over here on the left, I'll click Layouts. And now I need to take something different here, and I want to look for something that's got 4. Well, I don't know if any of these are really going to work just perfect here, so let's just take something easy and go with 4 squares. Yeah, 4 squares. And so I've selected my layout. That'll work a little bit better, and now I'll go back to my photos, and I'll start dragging my photos in. Okay, here we go. My 4 photos are now in my collage, and I'll click down here to swatches. I really don't like messing with the swatches. I just don't particularly care, and honestly sometimes they go over top of my pictures and I get really frustrated. So I'm not going to do too much. Just slide it back there, and it kind of, you know, you can add color, add design, but you can see now it made my picture smaller, and I really don't want that. So I'm going to remove this image here and go back to my original picture being as large as it is. So I'm not going to mess with swatches. So let's see, I am going to go down to the artistic effects, the background stuff, and I'm going to round my corners. I do like that. Okay, so these are all the edits I really want to make. I don't really feel like doing anything different. You know, I suppose I could change the background color a little bit. Let's see here. Let's make it a green. Okay, so there's my background color now. I'm going to go just a little bit darker. Okay, so I'm done. So this is my edit, my 4 pictures I've put in my collage. Here's what's cool. You can click Save. And I'm going to call this not PicMonkey Collage, but Zoo Day number 2, since I've gone through a little practice here. And you can decide how big you want the files to be. I always take the largest file possible because generally everything I use will shrink them down if it needs to be done. Then I'll click Save My Computer. And this file is automatically uploaded to is automatically uploaded to Google Drive because I'm on a Chromebook. You might get more options if you do this on a PC or a Mac or something, but on the Chromebook it automatically goes to Drive. So then I will click Save. From here I have the option to share to various social media accounts. So I can click Share. and send it to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, things like that. That's kind of nice. I like that ability to take photos, upload them to a collage, and send it out to social media within 2 minutes. That's pretty handy. I am not going to do that for this video. I'm just going to click cancel because I can go to Google Drive from my Chromebook and upload my photos there. I just don't need to do it right this moment. So this is how you upload photos to PicMonkey, an app from the Google Chrome store, and save them and share them to social media. So if you have questions about this, the best place to turn to would be Google Plus and ask a question to the Google and Education group. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks.